Hello all, in this video a demonstration of sway and non-sway of portal frames is learnt. Before that, let me define portal frame with an example. So, a portal frame is a type of structural frame that are characterized by a beam supported at either ends by columns. However, the joints between the beam and columns are rigid, so that the bending moment in the beam is transferred to the columns. There are sway and non-sway in a portal frame which is based on the following conditions, and they are as follows. First is based on loading, second based on moment of inertia, third one is length of vertical member, and the last one is based on the supports. If these four conditions are satisfied for a portal frame, then it is said to be a non-sway portal frame. And if any one of the condition is not satisfied, it is a sway portal frame. Figure 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the examples for a non-sway frame. Okay. Look at this frame of figure 1. The four conditions which were discussed earlier must be satisfied for a non-sway frame. Coming to first condition, based on loading, the load is applied uniformly, and if a section is cut at the midpoint, it is symmetrical. Hence, the first condition is satisfied. Coming to second one, based on the moment of inertia, the both columns have same moment of inertia. It is also satisfied. Then the third condition is length of vertical members. Here the length of vertical members are same, and it is also satisfied. The last condition, the supports are the same, and it is also satisfied. Similarly, figure 2, 3, 4. These are also satisfied the above four conditions. So these are the examples for a non-sway frame. Now look at these figures 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 as an examples of sway frame. Now at figure 1, the first condition is not satisfied as a unit load W2 is acting on the left column and it is not a symmetric. Coming to second condition, based on moment of inertia, both columns are same, it is satisfied. Then third condition, the length of the vertical members are same, so it is also satisfied. The last condition, the supports are the same, and it is also satisfied. In figure 1, except first condition, the other 2, 3, 4 conditions are satisfied. As first condition not satisfied, it is a sway frame. Similarly, figure 2, 3, 4, 5. These are also examples for a sway frame. Now, a practical example for a sway and non-sway portal frame based on loading condition. If the load is applied at the midpoint, the portal frame is stable. That can be a non-sway frame. And if the load is applied eccentrically, then the frame is not stable and it is a sway frame. This is all about sway and non-sway frame. Thanks for watching.